Hello and welcome to Jigsaw Shed. Now I have another unboxing to do thanks to the team at Dremel, and this time it is the Dremel 8 to 60 Platinum Edition. It is classed as the world's first brushless smart multi-tool, and when I'd seen it at Maker Central I wondered, well, why do you want a Bluetooth rotary tool? Anyway, I've now got it, so I'm going to find out. It does work with the Dremel app, apparently, and it says that on the app you can monitor the battery capacity percentage and then tool and battery temperatures. You can set the tool's speed via the app with assistance from the interactive materials guide, and then also receive overheat and overload alerts with tips on prevention and resolution. So I will load that up in a bit and have a bit of a look as well. So let's get it open. So the reason also going for the Platinum Edition is it comes in a great carry case. So nice big carry case there, and it comes with quite a few accessories, a few more accessories than just a standard one. So if we just open it up here, again the instruction manual, and then a whole accessories information guide that comes with it. What's this? Bits on the Dremel app, and there's guidance about the battery as well. So, and then just a registration card to register the tool within 4 weeks after purchase and extend the manufacturer's guarantee by 1 year. Okay, so let's get that out. So there's the tool. Obviously the battery is not inserted. This one comes with 2 batteries in the case. So slide that in. A decent weight to it. It's going to be interesting to see about carving smaller details as well, just because of the weight at the back. But sitting here, it feels like you've got fair decent control, but I'm not sure how long you can hold it before your hand tires. You've got the tool hanger on there, so you can always hook it up onto a hook, or the Dremel tool stand if you've got that. And then you've got your charger. So let's just pop that down there. Your charger. And this one, having looked on the box, is a shield for when you're doing metal work. So, oops, wrong way. So that will come onto there. Obviously, I'll have to figure out how it all works and sits on. But that just shields the sparks from flying up. So let's close that then. Actually, get all this paperwork out of the way. Let's open this door then. So let's open that, and we've got some more accessories. So you've got a grip that you can attach as well, obviously, to hold the tool better. And this a circular guide, so you can attach a tool into here, and then you can basically use this tool to do some circle cutouts as well, with because obviously it comes with the small router bits as well. There's a fast, easy speed click, EZ speed click connector with a disc there as well. That's just a little guide. What's this? Okay, there's some 2 spiral dual bits which will come in quite handy for cutting sideways. And another guide piece that will help also gauge depth, or keep the tool steady against the surface when you're doing edges. And just another guide that you can use almost like a router, so the tool will be upright in there and moving around. And then there's just another connector. Obviously I'll have to figure it all out. And then a box with loads of little bits. So there's polishing bits, there's cutting bits, sanding, cut-off wheels. Okay, so and little polishing compounds as well. So obviously a fair amount that this can do, but that will be quite handy. But definitely the storage box makes it very handy for storing all the pieces and keeping it nicely together. So yeah, I think I'll have a look at this. Let's just see if there's battery life in this. Yep. And actually runs fairly nice and quiet. Can set the speed nice and fast. So can set the speed accordingly on the device. Switch it off there. Lights up nicely there as well on the side, and you've got your battery indicator there. But I'm going to download the app and then have a look at that. So I'll be back once I've done all that and got it sorted. So to download the app, I can just go to the QR code here, load that up, and then select English or whatever country you're in. Scroll down to find either the Apple Store or the Google Play Store, and then install. So you can see battery temperature, tool temperature, and obviously 2% battery power. So I will need to get that on charge. So let's do that. So the battery part is simple. Just slide it out, bring it over, and plug it in. And that should charge it. Okay, so with the battery on charge, let's come back here. Obviously this one hasn't got a lot of charge in the spare battery either. So let's just view the dashboard, 2%. So if we say get started, let's choose hardwood. Next, let's say we'll do some cutting. Next, and then depending which bit, so say the spiral cutting bit, see result. So it will tell us what speed to select. So select suggested between 12,000 and 35,000. So if we go 20,000, let's send speed to tool. You have 10 seconds to turn on your tool to begin use at this speed. Okay. So that, as you can see, is set at 20,000. So I can now adjust the speed in that as well. But the app just helps you set it up appropriately for what you're going to cut and what bit you're going to cut it with. But that's simple. So let's see further details. Can go bit finder. So let's see material. I want to cut steel. Application. What do I want to do with the steel? So let's say I want to carve and engrave on it. Find accessories. So there we go. We've got your max life carving engraving bits, or just standing carving bits, engraving bits, or tungsten carbide carving bits. So let's get tungsten carbide. And there we have the range of the different ones that come in for those. And again, some more details on that. Where to buy. Okay. So yeah, let's go out of there. You can get support as well, so calling them or emailing, say email us. Obviously we'll open up your details, or call us. We'll take you to your phone. Profile, only about notifications and country of residence. So nothing major about it. No specific details held other than obviously what you've decided to call it as well. Well, thank you for joining me for the unboxing of the Dremel 8260. I hope that was useful for you in terms of seeing what's in the Platinum Edition, but also how the Bluetooth function works. By the time you watch this, I would already have used it in my wall art challenge video, plus possibly a few others. Obviously, I do have the Dremel 4000, the corded version, so that will continue to be used in the workshop with the flexi shaft. But this kit with the cordless function just allows me to use it outside and in other locations without having to try and look for a plug. So if you've got any questions, please pop them in the comments down below and I will answer them as best as I can, or I will point you in the right direction to find the answers. So please, if you liked it, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you've not done so yet, and hit that bell notification too. And I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Classed as the world's first brushless smart multi-tool, and this one is the Platinum Edition, and the cat is climbing up the washing. That's not a good move, because you will just fall through and just make a heck of a racket, or you'll pull the arrow down. No, I don't want any holes in my shirts. Thank you very much.